Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how can you get face tracking on Roblox. So first of all, you have to go to and three dot. Now you have to go to in settings. Now you have to go to in privacy. Once you're in the privacy, guys, you have to scroll down and just you have to be here in camera input. So once you're in the camera input, you have to enable this by tapping on this toggle button to enable it. Just click on this toggle button to enable the camera for the Roblox to be used. So just click on this enable button and it allows Roblox to use your camera. So once you allow the permission to Roblox to use your camera, now you can use face tracking on Roblox. You just need to open any game that supports camera as communication, like this is a game that we are talking about. Now, once you're in the game, guys, to enable face tracking, you just need to tap on this video icon to enable voice chat or sorry, the face tracking. Just click on it, and as you can see that it started doing face tracking. As I move my head, it's moving, as you can see. So that's how you can get this. Hope you like it, and if you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And till then, bye bye. And if I let me show you if I open my mouth, so you can see that it's opening a bit because the head is not that dynamic. So to get full feature of face tracking, you have to use different heads. This is a mini plushie. So after, so you can get this only in this. So hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.